iPhone, how to open RAR files on iPhone or extract RAR or zip files on iPhone. In order to extract or open RAR or zip files on iPhone, iPhone's default file manager do not have the capability to do so. So we have to rely on a third-party app from App Store, which is iZip, which is, by the way, completely free to use. So simply launch the iZip application, allow the access and go to the file section. From here, simply select the zip file that you want to extract. So here you can simply see that particular zip file. It says, would you like to unzip all files? So you can tap on OK, and once done, the zip file will be extracted and you'll be able to see all the items within that particular zip file. If you don't find it, you can simply use a search bar right here to locate your zip file manually, and once done, when you go here, you tap on it like this, it will ask you to unzip those files. This way you can open up RAR or extract RAR files on iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.